Hello, welcome to our new topic of reviewing smart devices. Today we'll talk about Zigbee Smart Water Valve from company Sonoff. And if you have Alexa or Google Home set up, it should work just fine, just make sure your version supports Zigbee. Or if you have any other home setups, make sure you have Zigbee Hub to add this guy into the system. Let's open a box now. And first we have here our device. There also is rubber seal and pipe tape with instruction, of course. So let's put it on the side, and we have here device made of plastic, and very nice thing that it's wireless. It also have a container for AA batteries with the rubber seal, which gonna protect it from water leakage. I wouldn't recommend to use this in-house, but outdoor usage it's pretty nice. It has an inlet here with the filter grid and outlet here. So all what you need to do is just connect your pipe here and your hose in here. Now you're gonna have smart valve working for you. So if you already connected to your valve, you can start pairing your device with the system. Or actually you can disconnect it and pair it separately with no issues. So either or, you can connect it to your valve and then start pairing, or you can do that before. Let's fill it up our container with AA batteries. And put it back. And now we will need to turn on pairing mode in our system. I will do it right now. Once you turn on your pairing mode, you will need to click on this button and hold it for 5 seconds until you're gonna see the green blink. So let's click it and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It starts blinking, as you can see. And I can see it's just added to my system. Once you add it to your system, it's pretty easy to work with. Let's take a look at some of the parameters. Here's the parameters available for this device. As you can see, there is a flow, battery, state, an option to disable or enable the water shortage self-closing valve. So for the battery, you can track the battery percentage. For the state, you can either close the valve or open manually or set up automation with it. Also, there is a device status here. And you can disable or enable the functionality when water shortage. So pretty much automatically it will shut down the water valve after the water shortage. And there's a different additional parameters available for you here that you can play with. And I have automation idea for you with this device. Let's say in the morning with sunrise, it will open a valve and start sprinkle water on your grass and flowers. After 5 gallons of usage, it will stop and close the valve. It's good to have devices like this which can help you to control water usage. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please leave the comments below with your thoughts. Don't hesitate to contact me on my Instagram if you're ready to start your home automation journey.